Geotool Inject is a secure web-based software which is accessible through a controlled login. The entry page displays the wells accessible to the users, with color codes indicating the different interpretation stages of the injection cycles. When entering a new interpretation cycle, you will be able to adjust the exact start and stop of the injection and shut-in periods. In the main interpretation screen, several automatically generated thumbnails or diagnostic plots are already partly populated. Several statistics about the injection cycle have already been automatically calculated. Geotool Inject provides several tools and functions for analysis. For the instantaneous shut-in pressure, draw a line across the downhole pressure to the shut-in, with the injection rate shown in red. Each interpretation is logged. The ISIP analysis box has now been filled with the numbers from the interpretation. You can also identify the presence of a water hammer pressure wave, which may provide useful indications about the status of the well's rat hole. You can annotate your interpretation and add your own comments. Custom annotations can be added as well. All comments are recorded in the upper part of the column, along with dates and the name of the interpreter. You can select another thumbnail by clicking on it. Click on Annotate BHP and draw a line extrapolating the curve to 0. The far-field pressure part of the Horner analysis box is now automatically filled with its interpreted value. Once the interpretation is finished, you can commit it and return to the entry page. The trend analysis feature allows you to see the historical trends in your data over a selected time. Data can be displayed either versus time or versus the injected volume. Each point on the graph represents an interpretation. You can create a variety of annotations. The most important one automatically computes the slope of the trended parameter. Custom observations without computations can also be made to highlight interesting findings in the data. You can further interpret data by creating customized trend plots. The alarm dashboard shows the status of the data with respect to alarm thresholds. It also allows the modification of these thresholds, which will trigger email notifications to selected personnel.